So so these are all coffee plants down there. Ended the coffee picking season actually. They might still be doing some, but what's hard here is that obviously it's all in hills. So the coffee pickers, that step. And so this is a type of bamboo called guadua. But yeah, it's basically from the bamboo family.
Yeah, I drink coffee every day, 2-3 times a day.
Or there was a wall right here, and that's a cafeteria that they're starting, because they've been closed obviously, so they're just going to start now to reactivate everything.
Yeah, it just tastes like any good coffee, not sour, like probably Arabica. Like I think like most coffee we have in good places in Ukraine, or in good places where we tried it. I'm not a big guru.
This is the target in one coffee farm. In Colombia, practically we have one material in common in more or less 500,000 of coffee farms in the country. We have still the same steps for find this process. In the world have many other processes, but in Colombia technically we have one globally. In the coffee dehydrate, this is called pergamino, the more resistant material of coffee. And the appreciation in the market for this material is for the resistance. This material resisted degradation in one container for near 1 year. The intro for the farm. The first coffee farm in the Caribbean region in Colombia, but it's at the same time the first had technology. They developed the first industrial model with machines, with one basic structure for make this process. In Colombia is the first. We have now the classic model of these machines, the prototype technically. This one a little miracle because the major machines now is just working 10 years and anymore. Need the other ones, but ready for picking have more or less this appearance. These are like it's not like to one grape, right? It's not like to near violet. Yeah. It's so sweety. Yeah, have a flavor like to plum. Plum? Sweet. Make the peeling process by friction. At the mature coffee, do you look? If we have one mature coffee, you require a little pressure. If we press, like this machine, but look, it's really soft. Yeah? You require one little friction, and automatically the skin is removed. If the coffee entry at the machine, the cylinder rolling make like this movement. This movement remove the skin. But we have still this problem. The no-rep coffee. This material is very hard, it's solid. Yeah, this material is not peeled. We have this product escaping from here for the winter. Yeah, the skin is removed at the second level. You look, the machines have 2 levels. In the first day, automatically, we have, for example, the peeling process is beginning 3 o'clock afternoon, and 5 o'clock we have 3 tons, for example, transported, selected, peeled, and in the tank for fermentation. Usually one little farm doesn't have this volume a day. Yeah, we can make the washing process of this volume in 2 hours maximum.
Water is their best employee.
Okay, this is the area for the washing. You look the pipe, this pipe, the tube. The tube is much better for understanding. Okay. If the coffee entry, of course, is filtered automatically by gravity, entry at this field. Yeah? You look in my hand? And the other water shot, push the coffee for this other pipe, poof, at the canal. Very good? Do you remain the
It's not.
the other?
Nice.
Yeah. The
Clean.
limit. Hasta que el día que yo me acuerde y me traiga la superadora y voy a Okay, this is the second class. This is the material removed in the canal. This is like this material. This is not complete red coffee. Yeah, we have including these stills and coffee tactile for beetles. It's technically the largest product. And here, this other area, we have the first material removed. The coffee removed in the first days in this place. Yeah? Higher farm using this tool for remove the coffee, for turn the coffee, for approach the sunlight, sun radiation, for dry the coffee by the evaporation method. Do you look, we are using the water for everything, for all steps, right? But if this water entering, for example, at the waterfalls, again, we can produce water contamination. The reason is very important, make a control of this water. The garbage, this is key. Have many applications in other places, but in Colombia don't have many creativity. This,
California red one.
yeah, exactly. The red Californian landworm, earthworm. Yeah. Look at, you look at the volume. The landworms make the disintegration of this material. The cellulose, the sugar is transforming into this other one. Look it.
Don't wanna hold
Doesn't do anything.
You look? Yes. Super hippie coffee.
It's like earth at its most.
This is really good. This is for ground coffee. It's necessary to charge this little. Yeah, we have one area for germination, but after the germination, we need charge this bag. Yeah. In compost. Pero la primera parte que es importante es cargarle todo el compost para remover toda la humedad en los primeros 2 días. Que es fundamental. Do you know which is a honey coffee?
Yeah, I think I had
Honey coffee is coffee dehydrated, not fermented, not washed. This famous stage for long life coffee is fermented and washed. Honey coffee is a technique for the preservation of all properties, smells, and the seed, fruit. Yeah? Honey coffee has one little problem. It's very fragile. One little tip of humidity can reproduce a fungi. The reason the honey coffee is just possible make it by little quantities. Little bit like the racing grape.
Huele
Yeah,
casi a
grapes.
cacao.
Sí, huele como a uvas pasas. For this little pipeline, like the water source is and there will charge the grind machine. Take the little tips for testing. You have this texture, this is still humid. Metal hopper, ready. This is the scale. If we get here 40 kilograms, automatically just need one little 40 here. Thanks, sugar. After they have the calibrated, we put the tester, the coffee, and 20 minutes after we begin the testing process. Because for 20 minutes we have the bean completely hydrated. One development, one beginning of it. This is the crown breaking. Do you look? There's only one crack in the tip. If we take the bean and we press it, eventually the bean is breaking. Yeah? It's crunchy, but it's not burning. You have one good smell. In a medium roast, for development, No, this is just breaking the.
Don't
No,
break
sorry,
it.
smell it. This and this one. Smell it.
Ready. What countries do you export coffee
We
from
sell,
here?
no, we don't sell strike, but the major coffee produced in Colombia is sold from US, from Europe, and from Australia. This is probably the three market destinations. There's other things, including in Australia. I know that is so rare, but the European market includes Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and I think it's South Africa too.
And we'll walk over to the brewery. They'll probably give us a beer. I have a sampler for you.